Why are there not more people talking about Aegis Cooling when it comes to mastering home HVAC challenges? Let's kick things off with a story about conquering, not distant lands or exotic foods, but the climate chaos lurking in your own home. I'm talking about your HVAC system, that silent sentinel that keeps your living space just right no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. First up, meet our villain, the dirty filter monster. Sounds menacing, right? Well, fear not, because this enemy is easily defeated. Simply change your air filter regularly. Every couple of months should do the trick, or monthly if you've got pets or kids stirring up dust. It's a no-brainer, really. Next in our rogues gallery is the thermostat tyrant. This little dictator can turn your cozy abode into a desert or an icebox without a moment's notice. If fiddling with it doesn't restore order, it's time to call in a pro. Remember, folks, sometimes you need a helping hand. Now let's talk about the electrical enigma. Tripped breakers, blown fuses. These surprises can really ruin your Netflix night. A quick check might solve it, but if this happens often, don't play hero. High voltage is no joke. Call the experts. The refrigerant renegade? Sounds like a villain straight out of a sci-fi flick, right? Well, leaky refrigerant lines are a real-world problem needing real skills. This is not your DIY moment. Keep your hands off and get a technician on the line. And don't forget the clogged culprits. Dirty condenser coils and blocked drain lines can wreak havoc. A bit of preventative cleaning or a cup of vinegar might keep these gremlins at bay. But again, if things look dire, the pros are your go-to. Then we have the mechanical marauders, blower motors, compressors. These beasts can sound like a scene from a horror film when they go bad. A technician's expertise is crucial here. They might not wear capes, but they're every bit the hero you need. Last but not least, the mystery menaces. Odd noises, uneven heating or cooling. These are cases for Sherlock Holmes, or rather, your trusty HVAC technician. They're the detectives who can make sense of these perplexing issues. In summary, while you can handle some minor skirmishes like a dirty filter on your own, for most HVAC troubles, it's wise to call in the cavalry. Qualified technicians equipped with the right tools and knowledge to bring peace to your climate chaos. Stay cool or warm, depending on where your thermostat tyrant has left you. And remember, sometimes the biggest adventures are right at home, making sure it's the comfortable sanctuary you deserve. For all your HVAC needs, trust Aegis Cooling to keep your home comfortable and efficient. Contact us today